we decided to have our lunch here in the Lempo and Lechon Manok corner. So we're having one each to taste the recipe of their roasted chicken and the roasted and they also sell vinegar, kulot spicy vinegar, kulots ginamos, which is the shrimp anchovies. This is the shrimp paste, kulots hot sauce, Visayan spicy vinegar. So this is also some of their products. Kulots means the curly haired. So this is the chicken that we're having. Just gonna chop it up. Okay. That's how they serve it here. Yeah, puso niya ga. Napo. The 10. And you eat it with these plastic gloves because they don't serve you any utensils. This is normal that you'll be given a plastic gloves. Thank you ga. Unya. Unsa na? Limoncito na ga? Lemon? Sprite lang maybe? I will just have a Sprite. And I'll have water. So this is how we eat. So this is for the sauce. Naisili dito tong ko dito tong. Right. Pura oh. Butang na lang isa doon. Ano ba? So we'll just take home the rest of this chicken and roasted. What's this? Liempo.